It's a brand new year. It's a time where we all buckle down and decide what our health goals are going to be for the year ahead. I actually like a new year. I think it's an opportunity to start fresh, wipe the slate clean, and really determine what you want the year to look like. And it should start with your health. Remember, your health is the foundation of everything else that happens. You don't feel good, you stay in a negative place, you attract the wrong things. That lovely New Year's resolution list, poof, goes out the window. Don't want that to happen to you, so remember, staying healthy should be your first priority. As we talk about health, what are some of the wellness trends for this year? Well, I can't wait to share some of them with you. Let me take a sip of my drink first. Actually got you there, right? This is not an alcoholic drink. One of the biggest wellness trends for 2023 is the rise of the mocktail. That's right, drinks without alcohol, hanging out, imagine that, without alcohol, and enjoying socialization, having fun drinks that might actually be good for you. More and more people are realizing that alcohol is not serving them well, and they would rather have a drink that makes them feel good the next day. So mocktails are a wellness trend for 2023. Check out some of my fun recipes for mocktails right here, but remember, have fun with it, experiment with it, but at the end of the day, whatever you drink should be making you feel good, not requiring a lot of recovery time. All right, what are some of the other wellness trends for 2023? Well, facial wellness, that's right, taking care of yours truly is a big trend for 2023, but not in the traditional sense of fillers and lasers and all the things that you might be hearing about or trying to keep up with in the beauty world. Now we're talking about facial wellness through Eastern modalities, things like face yoga. Well, you really do learn to exercise the muscles in your face. That in turn helps to build collagen, keeps them tight, and really helps to keep the face looking youthful for a longer period of time. Another big trend in face yoga is gua sha. So it's so funny, my daughter's actually starting to do this now every morning, and she's 15. So gua sha, we're using gua sha stones to really help circulation in the face, getting out the trigger points before you do your makeup and all that other stuff. Another big wellness trend, as is jade rolling. So taking care of the face, not necessarily thinking about procedures, but taking care of the face using tried and true Eastern medicine techniques is a wellness trend for 2023. All right, moving away from face, let's go to hair. So hair loss is something that is an epidemic. More and more people are talking about it. You don't have to hide in shame anymore. I feel almost like hair loss is kind of the new conversation where maybe weight or other issues were before. People are openly discussing their issues with hair loss, both men and women. There are many different types of hair loss, so understanding how to manage it is becoming more and more important. I, of course, suffered from hair loss, as many of you know, in the past, and hair loss was the reason that I formulated and patented this particular formula, Lush Locks, which has a blend of Eastern herbs like amla and foti, along with powerhouse micronutrients like B vitamins, iron, selenium, and so many more to really help us grow and keep our hair. Hair loss is complex, but we have more and more gadgets, research, devices, prescriptions, all kinds of information flooding the marketplace to help everyone deal with their hair loss. Remember, a big facet of hair loss is PCOS. I talk a lot about PCOS in this video. Check it out to learn more if that could be the cause of your hair loss. All right, moving on. Not being able to sleep and tracking your sleep is becoming a big wellness trend for 2023. Specifically, tracking all your health metrics, not just sleep, but even your heart rate, your blood pressure, your resting kind of pulse, all of this stuff everyone is getting into to try to understand what they're looking like on any given day, not necessarily waiting to get to that doctor's appointment to understand their overall health. So tracking is a big trend, and whether you're a fan of the Aura, the Apple Watch, the Fitbit, or the Whoop, hey, there's a device out there for you. All right, here's another one that I couldn't be happier about, detoxing digitally. So yes, while we're tracking, at the same time, we are actually trying to separate from social media, from our devices, and have time away from the internet. We're all tired of it. It drains our energy. The blue light is inflammatory. We are starting to see studies that show this. So pushing the computer away, putting your Apple Watch away, shutting your iPhone and your iPad, taking a digital detox, whether it's 20 minutes a day, one whole day out of the week, whatever it is, make it work for you, but shut those screens down. Let's tackle one more 2023 wellness trend. It's all things women's health and hormone hacking. We are no longer sitting quietly. Everybody I know is talking about their hormones. Celebrities are coming out talking about their struggles with different hormones and how it took so long to get results. And more, the issues with hormones, how to hack your hormones, how to balance your hormones, what's happening in a hormone shift. All of these things are coming to the forefront in 2023. So those are my top wellness trends for the year ahead. Which one are you going to jump on? Remember, health is first. It's your greatest currency, and it attracts all the positive stuff right back into your life. All right, if you want to learn more about health and wellness, your hormones, and so much more, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post new videos every week.